Hello everyone and welcome to the Engineering Way. I decided to organize my ammo instead of just having it all in cardboard boxes, and I kind of have a vision in my head of a military-inspired stenciled ammo cans. So I went to Amazon, bought a few ammo cans and some stencils to try it out, and it was terrible. The stenciling process was so incredibly tedious to cut the pieces, fit them together, try to line them up, and then reuse them because there's only so many letters in each set. So I figured there had to be a better way, and there is.